Hello everyone. Today I am excited to share with you how to make almond milk. At a glance, you might think of almond milk as a combination of cow's or sheep's milk with almonds. But I don't mean merging almonds with traditional dairy. Instead, imagine a magical combination of almonds, honey, and water, a concoction that promises to infuse you with vitality, add luster to your skin and hair, and promote heart health. Are you ready to immerse yourself in the magic world of almond milk? Hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and let's kick off this journey together. Don't forget to give the video a like if you're eager to learn the art of making almond milk. Let's go for a great education. We will pick up 50 grams of almonds. While it's convenient to purchase prepackaged almonds from the market, I personally opt for the whole, unshelled variety. It's crucial to note that the almonds should be in their raw state, preserving their natural essence and nutritional benefits. Embracing the simplicity of raw almonds adds an extra layer of authenticity to the process, elevating the overall experience of creating almond milk. We place raw almonds in a container, introducing a touch of water for the perfect blend. Use a moderate amount of water to ensure rapid boiling. To easily peel almonds, you don't need to heat them for a long time. We linger as the water beautifully transforms into a symphony of bubbles, delicately coaxing the almonds to join their short, bubbly fin. Following a gentle boil in water, almonds gracefully shed their skins. With a simple, fluid motion, both the delicate and rugged coverings gracefully part from the core, bringing us one step closer to crafting natural, pure almond milk. Now, as the almonds stand prepared, we embark on the subsequent stages of this delightful flavor expedition. Dear friends, we find ourselves on the brink of the fascinating final stages of this culinary journey. To proceed, embrace the magic of a blender, harmonizing the meticulously peeled almonds with a touch of honey and 2 to 3 generous glasses of water. As we venture into this captivating blend, the symphony of flavors awaits. Take note, the quantity of water you pour dictates the potion's consistency. While more water yields a thinner elixir, exercise caution not to exceed 3 glasses, ensuring a potion that's not just palatable but bursts with delectable flavors. The exciting moment has come to press that blender button. Allow the machine to work its magic for a minimum of 1 minute, ensuring a thorough amalgamation of the ingredients. The longer the mix, the more exquisite the outcome. Thank you wonderful viewers for joining me on this delicious journey. If you enjoyed our time together, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more delicious adventures, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a sip. Until next time, sip and take care.